So friends, Samsung has been spotted working on a new design for a foldable phone that can fold inward and outwards. A patent application from the South Korean tech firm shows a very thin 360-degree foldable phone equipped with an inner screen that can be unfolded to form a larger display or folded backwards to be used as a cover display. Samsung previously showcased a prototype of a similar device in 2023, but there's no word on any plans to launch a commercial version of the foldable phone described in the patent application. And details of the foldable phone are seen in patent application published last week by the US Patent and Trademark Office. The document provides several details related to the design of the foldable phone along with the diagram that showcase its 360-degree folding capability of its flexible display. And unlike most foldable handsets with two panels that can be folded and unfolded in a single configuration, the patent application describes a phone with a large, slim display that can be folded in two configurations, and it has two folding areas that allow the screen to be folded inwards and outwards. And the foldable phone is expected to be equipped with flexible OLED screen with ultra-thin glass, allowing it to fold forwards and backward. This also means that Samsung might not needed to equip the device with a cover display, and in order to enable this dual folding functionality, the patent application describes placement of the first or second folding areas between the first and the second non-folding areas, and the folding mechanism is supported by a multi-layered structure that uses thin plates, and the outer portion of the foldable phones appears to feature a raised island with 3 rear cameras. This model is accessible when the phone is folded inwards and as well as outwards. As per the patent application, there's no clarity on whether the screen will also feature an under-display camera. Over the past few years, Samsung has showcased a handful of foldable designs such as the Flex G and Flex S prototypes that could eventually arrive as tri-fold smartphones, and renders might also recall that the company showed off a flex in and out prototype with a 360-degree foldable screen in 2023. However, there's been no word from the company on plans to launch a commercial version of that device or the one described in the patent document. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.